Write equation of line from graph. Here is a test problem for you. We have two different lines on the grid. You need to write down their equation. You can pause the video, write down your solution and check with my answer. Here is how I will do it. So let's first number the lines. Let's say the pink line here is line 1 and the blue line is, let us say, line 2. Now line 1 is a horizontal line. What is the slope of this line? Slope m is equal to 0, right? Since the rise is 0, it is not rising nor it is falling. Slope is 0. How about the y-intercept? Y-intercept is equal to minus 3. So my y-intercept is minus 3. Since we know slope and y-intercept, we can write this equation in the form of slope and intercept, which is y equals to mx plus b. Now m, the slope is 0, y-intercept b is minus 3. Therefore, the equation is y equal to minus 3. So that is how we can write equation of a horizontal line. So you can see at every point on this line, y value is going to be minus 3. So that is how we get our equation. Now let us see how to write equation for the second line. Now line 2, we are marked with 2 points. It's very difficult to read the y-intercept, and therefore we cannot use the line y equals to mx plus b directly to find equation of this line. Now in this case, we have 2 points. One of them is, let's call them points A and B, for example. Let this be A and this be B. Point A for us is minus 2, minus 2. And point B is x value of 4, y is 0, 4, 0. That is the x-intercept. Now using these 2 points, we can find slope of the line, right? So we get slope between A and B is rise over run, that is y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. Now y2 is 0, so 0 minus minus 2 divided by x2 is 4 minus minus 2. That gives you 2 over 6 or 1 over 3. So that is the slope. Once we know the slope, we can use equation y equals to mx plus b, any one of these points, and find the value of b. Let's do that. So y equals to mx plus b. We are going to use m as equals to 1 over 3, and we'll use a point which is, let's say we use b, right, which is 4, 0. Let's use these two things to find the value of b. Okay, so y is 0, x is 4, m is 1 over 3. So we get 0 equals to slope of 1 over 3, x value of 4, and plus b. So from here we get b as equal to minus 4 over 3. Now since we know both, that is slope, which is 1 over 3, and the y-intercept, we can write down our answer, which is y equals to slope 1 over 3, x plus b, which is minus 4 over 3. So that is how we can get the equation of the second line. So for the second line, the best method is to use 2 different points, find slope, and then find the y-intercept, calculate the y-intercept using a point and the slope, and write down the equation, right? So that is how we can solve for this problem, right? So therefore you learn that to write equation of a line from a graph, if we know the y-intercept, then we can directly write it using y equals to mx plus b. But in case y-intercept is not very clear from the graph, then we have to take 2 points, find slope, calculate y-intercept, and then get to the equation. That's the whole idea. I hope you appreciate it. Thank you and all the best.